Welcome to Wealth Builders TV, your trusted source for financial education and wealth-building strategies. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of the stock market with our comprehensive guide on understanding the stock market, Investing 101. Get ready to gain the knowledge and confidence you need to navigate this dynamic and potentially rewarding landscape. So, let's dive right in. The stock market is an intricate ecosystem where buyers and sellers come together to trade shares of publicly listed companies. It serves as a platform for investors to buy ownership stakes, or shares, in businesses, and participate in their growth and success. To understand the stock market, let's start with the basic concept. Companies can choose to go public by offering shares of their ownership to the public through an initial public offering, IPO. Once a company goes public, its shares are listed on a stock exchange, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or NASDAQ. Investors can then buy or sell these shares, determining their prices based on supply and demand. Now, let's address the risk and reward aspect of investing in the stock market. While there are risks involved, historical data has shown that over the long term, the stock market has provided solid returns to investors. However, it's important to note that the market can be volatile and subject to fluctuations, so careful research and analysis are essential. As you embark on your stock market journey, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with some key investment vehicles. Stocks represent ownership in a company and offer the potential for capital appreciation and dividends. Bonds, on the other hand, are debt instruments issued by corporations or governments, providing fixed interest payments over a specified period. Mutual funds allow investors to pool their money together, enabling professional fund managers to make investment decisions on their behalf. Let's explore the stock market ecosystem further. Stock exchanges, such as the NYSE and NASDAQ, act as marketplaces where buyers and sellers trade stocks. Market indices, such as the S&P 500 or Dow Jones Industrial Average, provide benchmarks to gauge the overall performance of the stock market. Additionally, brokerage firms play a crucial role by serving as intermediaries, facilitating trades between buyers and sellers. Now, let's delve into the factors that influence stock prices. Several elements come into play, including economic conditions, company performance, industry trends, and even geopolitical events. Understanding these factors and their potential impact on stock prices is vital for making informed investment decisions. Thorough research and staying up to date with the latest news and trends are crucial aspects of successful investing. Building a balanced portfolio is paramount for long-term success in the stock market. Diversification is the key principle here. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions, you can reduce risk and potentially increase returns. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio aligns with your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. Finally, let's discuss various investment strategies you can employ in the stock market. Passive investing, such as index fund investing, involves tracking a specific market index, like the S&P 500. This approach provides broad market exposure and is known for its simplicity and low fees. Active investing, on the other hand, involves making investment decisions based on research, analysis, and personal judgment. Strategies like value investing, growth investing, or momentum investing fall under this category. Congratulations! You've completed our comprehensive crash course on understanding the stock market through our Investing 101 guide. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to investing. Continue to educate yourself, seek guidance from financial professionals if needed, and practice disciplined investing habits. The stock market presents opportunities for wealth creation, but it's important to approach it with careful analysis and a long-term perspective. Thank you for joining us on Wealth Builders TV. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies to build your wealth. Together, let's unlock the potential of the stock market and achieve our financial goals.